A lot of people ask me, hey James, I've been involved in a personal injury accident, when do I need an attorney? My surprising answer is it's not like you need one tomorrow. So a lot of times people will call me right after they've been in an accident, right at the scene of the accident, before they've been to the doctor. Hey, I just got rear-ended, can I hire you and then help me make $1 million? That's actually not the case. The personal injury, typically speaking, you usually have 2 years to file a lawsuit in Virginia. There are some cases where there's shorter time periods, like if you got a claim against the county, but you have a window of time. What I would recommend doing is, if you've been involved in a car accident or another injury, talk to an attorney up front to just get some information. Hey, this is the information you should be gathering. These are the documents you should be looking out for. But a lot of times people call me and I'll say, you don't need to make a decision to hire me now. If they've got like a soft tissue injury and they've got a little bit of backache, a lot of times I'll say to them, look, you may be able to resolve this yourself. It doesn't make sense hiring me and then paying me. But the reality is, if you've been in a serious car accident or a serious injury where you've got broken bones, torn tendons, you need surgery, I find that in those situations, that's where insurance companies play games. And they're going to either try to undervalue your claim or try to manufacture a reason to deny your claim. And so you should call an attorney immediately to figure out what's going on and orient yourself. And if I find that there's enough insurance coverage, or there's a possibility enough insurance coverage, and I find that, hey, we've got a strong liability case, I'm probably going to recommend you hire me sooner rather than later. That way I can get in, start establishing those beginning things like getting 911 calls to establish liability, going to the scene of the accident, trying to see if there's surveillance videos and things like that. So for complex injuries, there's a huge value in hiring somebody as soon as possible. And for less serious injuries, sometimes you have a little bit of wiggle room. But I always tell people, this is not a used car lot. I'm not just trying to get you to sign on the dotted line before you leave the lot. If you work with me, it's going to be a long-term relationship. So take the time that you need. If I'm sending you a fee agreement and other documents, take the time to ask me questions. A day's probably not going to make a lot of difference. Again, I always tell people, if you need second opinions, I'm confident in what I do. Feel free to get those as well. I want to make sure that if you come on as a client, you realize that you can trust me and my team, and we're going to do everything we can to get the best result in your case.